Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and we're here at Taipei, Taiwan for the launch of the latest ASUS products and also the Computex 2019. So this is the ASUS Zenbook Pro Duo, and you probably know that since you're watching this video, and yes, the title of this video is just below this player. Anyway, this is the Zenbook Pro Duo. We got two displays over here. So at the top we got here the 15.6-inch UHD OLED touch display. Yes, it's an OLED display. That's why the display of this notebook is really vivid, really powerful, really colorful, and the blacks are really good. That's why I love OLED display on whether that's a TV, a smartphone, or a notebook. Anyway, we also got here another display, which is a 14.4, a 14-inch 4K Screenpad Plus display. So yes, we've seen the Screenpad before last year, the Zenbook Pros. This one we got the Screenpad Plus because we got a really large display over here, and you could actually use this display for different functions that I'm gonna show that to you. But I'm gonna show that to you later. Inside, we also got here an Intel Core i9 processor, and we all know that the Intel Core i9 is the most powerful processor that you can use on a notebook. Okay, we're not sure yet if that's a 9th gen or 10th gen, but hopefully it will be a 10th generation once this notebook comes out in the Philippines. And of course, we got a different layout in here, similar to the Zephyrus. We got a keyboard layout over here and also the touchpad, but also access to the number pad. Okay, so you could actually use this one as a number pad, but this is not really meant for gaming, but yeah, it can actually do some gaming because this one comes with an NVIDIA RTX 2060 GPU, and you all know that it can run almost all games right now that are out in the market, including my favorite, PUBG Lite, at ultra settings. We also got here the ports over here. We got HDMI, the power port. We got a USB 3.0 and a vent over here. Yes, it's a little bit thick, and it's not that heavy, but we got in a magnesium alloy chassis. That's why the notebook is really light, and I like the feel of this one, as this one is really solid. And then on the other side, we got here the USB port and another vent. We also got here the audio jack and a USB-C port. So what can we do with the Screenpad Plus? Well, a lot of things. You could actually use this button, so it will show you the different applications that you can open on the Screenpad Plus. We got Spotify over here. Then also got here some maps. We also got here some applications. Actually, any Windows applications, you can actually put these calculator app below. There we go. So it has a lot of uses. And one of the things that I like about here is that you could actually do up to 4 windows. One over here, and another one over here, another one over here, and another one over here. So 3 displays below. 3 applications below and a single application on the main display. This one is really cool, not just for productivity, but also for streamers. And since we're getting a 2060 GPU over here, we can actually run almost anything, again, including PUBG Lite, the PUBG PC, and even PUBG Mobile in emulator. Anyway, we're just kidding. Anyway, you can see that we got 3 applications running over here. We got a touchscreen display here, here, and here. I'm gonna exit Candy Crush because this is a casual game. Then you can actually do a lot of things also, including this one. So if you have an application running here and you want to transfer the application to the Screenpad Plus, you can actually just press this button. Then, well, it's actually the button for switching applications, but I guess it has problems right now. But let's see again. So by pressing this button, it should transfer to this Screenpad Plus. But yeah, there we go. So it's a little bit buggy right now, but you can see the point that this one is made for productivity, for gaming. So for every consumers, whether you're a gamer, streamer, productivity, or just want a cool laptop, this one is the right one for you. So this one will come to the Philippines. We're not sure yet when, we're not sure yet about the price, but we'll definitely see the ASUS Zenbook Pro with the Screenpad Plus, Zenbook Pro Duo in the Philippines soon. So yeah, it's a little bit confusing. Anyway, this is the Zenbook Pro Duo. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm JamOnline.ph. Thanks for watching. See you guys again sa susunod na video.